Alright, good day. Here's a quick video of my little CNC machine made by Acctek. We'll start here, I suppose. Here's the wheel system that moves the gantry. There's the Acctek label. Alright, I'll just go around the table, I suppose. And you got your gantry with the spindle. There's your oiling system right here for the bearings. And there's the bearings down in there. There's two on each side. And then the same thing over there for the gantry. So you can see how that moves with this gearing system. There's the rotary device. The only thing I've done is put that wood into it, and I haven't programmed it to give it a whirl, but I'll move it so you can see it. You got your little stopper so the gantry doesn't come flying off the table for, if it's programmed wrong or something. There's the vacuum control. So you got 4 controls, and each black section is related. So you can control which one you want. Right now I'm just using the clamp system, and I got a piece of acrylic mounted on top of some MDF. And here's your spindle system. It's 3 kilowatt. It's water cooled. I'll show you it in movement here in a little bit. It's your oiling system, your power, your stops again, emergency stop. Another oiling one for the bearings. You can see how it moves. That's the water cooler. So it returns and recycles back into the little bin here. You got an emergency stop, so it matches with the sensor, and when it reaches the stop, it senses it and stops it flying off the edge. And on this side, there's not really too much here. There's a control cabinet. See, I got Mach 3 loaded, so we'll fire it up here. Alright, so that's running. So that's my start. That's my emergency stop, so just turn off the power to the CNC machine. So I'll turn it back on. That's for my VFD, for my dust collector. Because they sent me the wrong motor, I had to install this little VFD, which actually works better. That's the VFD for the spindle control. And that's controls for your vacuum pump system. This is my dust collector control. I can turn it on here. And it controls it by controlling the frequency. And it will just go up to 60 hertz, so I'll stop it because I'm not vacuuming anything. It's my Mach 3 system. I just have my... push the tab button, it opens up this window so I can jog the motors around. So I got my hotkeys here. So I'll show you it in moving around and doing its thing. I'll move it down there. You can kind of see the rotary. That's my rotary thing. See the rotary spinning in the background there. Go either way. Okay, I'll close the tab. I don't have any toolpath loaded, so I'll go to my diagnostic screen and I'll toggle the spindle. You can hear it fire up. That's running at 10,000 RPM.